Hello and welcome back into my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make some of my sweet and smoky InstantPot barbecue sauce. Now I'm getting ready to upload a video for some of my whole food plant-based, no oil barbecue ribs that I also make in the InstantPot, so I needed to make some barbecue sauce to go with them. Now all we're gonna need is a few simple ingredients. Now they're all gonna be in the information section below this video, so if you wanna see the exact list, go ahead and look there. But our wet ingredients are going to be a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. We've got a tablespoon of molasses, some maple syrup, and then we've got a teaspoon of soy sauce. And again, check the recipe list to make sure that you don't miss anything. So we're gonna put that in there. The molasses likes to stick to the bottom. That's all right. And then we have our dry ingredient mix of spices with some smoked paprika, garlic, onion powder, pepper, red pepper flakes. You can see all those in the description as well. And then we're just gonna take 2 cups of water, pour it in, and I like to make sure it gets nice and mixed. Just give it about 10 seconds of easy stirring. Nothing too complicated. And that will all break down as it cooks. And then next, we're just gonna take our lid for the InstantPot. We're gonna set it at 10 minutes at a normal pressure level. And once that's done, we're gonna give it a nice quick release and we'll be right back. All right, our 10 minutes is up. I just got done quick releasing it. Now we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. Oh yeah. If you can tell, but that is still just simmering. And as we let this cool, it is going to get a nice consistency. Now this right here is perfect for glazing some ribs or some burgers. But like I said, that tomato paste will really help thicken this up. So you let this sit for a few minutes and it's gonna be a nice thick sauce. But it's so easy to make this, it's almost crazy. And it's crazy how delicious it is. Well, I'm gonna get cleaned up in the kitchen. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and thicken up, and I'll see you in a second. Hello, I am back from the kitchen. Got everything cleaned up, the InstantPot put away until I use it next time, which will be probably pretty soon. But I just want to show you guys, we reused these old barbecue sauce jars, but it filled up this plus some, so it stores really well. I end up using this barbecue sauce on everything from my salad, which you can see my spinach salad that I eat twice a day. I use it on the vegan barbecue ribs. I also use it with our bean burgers, the porkless burgers, just about anything that you would use barbecue sauce for and more. My wife and I use this. It's really simple to make. Oh, and we got Bella here. Come here, Bella. Bella the vegan bulldog. Hello. She cannot have any barbecue sauce, but she does love a lot of other of my recipes. So I actually put a little bit in the fridge so it would kind of cool down a little bit. As you can see, it's got a good consistency there. Really good. It's sweet, it's got a little bit of heat, it's smoky, it's got a little bit of tang. It's a fantastic barbecue sauce. And it takes like 20 minutes to make. You got 10 minutes in the InstantPot. Oh, there you go. And a little bit longer to set it up and put it down. But it's super easy to make. It's super tasty. It's got no oil. It's got no sugar, added sugar. It's fantastic. And it's vegan. And if you're like me, someone who uses a lot of barbecue sauce, it is getting tougher and tougher to find a good barbecue sauce at the store. One that's vegan, because a lot of them like to put anchovies in it for some reason. And then one that doesn't have added sugar, which is, I try to stay away from. And it seems like every one of them has high fructose corn syrup now. So if you find one that is a good one, use it. But if you want to try this recipe, please do, because it is super easy and super tasty. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you liked the little stop by from Bella. And if you did, hit the like button. And if you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. I will see you guys very soon.